Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another daily technical analysis video. So today we're going over long-term perspective. So the only indicators that I'll be looking at, that I'll be showing you for the long-term bias of if you should be short or long, or holding or out of Bitcoin. I'm going to put on these EMA bands because for a good uptrend, we need them to be green, clearly. And, not significant, but, decent downtrends, clear downwards actions every time are red, marks the tops, or marks the uptrends, marks the downtrends. And right now we're flipping red. So this is just simple 20 or 12, 21, and 50 EMA. And then we have the RSI, obviously, below the moving average, indicating that we're in a downtrend. Just like right here, when we hit the absolute top, flipped them, multiple times, indicating that the top is near. And then we completely flipped them, moving down, staying down, and then, couldn't even flip. Couldn't even flip, so that was clear consolidation, this entire area. We couldn't even flip the bands into a significant uptrend until here, which was technically a false uptrend, false breakout. And we made clear lower highs. If I take out my brush, lower high, or high, lower high, lower high, and we're just in a downtrend. So on Solana, I actually sold. I'm about to sell, actually. I unfortunately had it staked, locked up, so I have to wait for that unlocking period. But selling at a slight gain, because I think I bought somewhere over here in February, so slight gain. But if I had these, if I was listening to these signals, I would have been selling up here with the RSI being above, crossing down. I would have been selling, obviously, right here, clearly oversold. I mean, overbought, clearly overbought right here. Clear indicator to sell. And not even, you could have re-entered right here, made a slight good trade right there, and then another good trade right there, in confluence with the EMA bands as well. So it's just not looking good for the markets. You got to be bearish when the charts are bearish, bullish when the charts are bullish. And Ethereum being the absolute weakest right now it's ever been, had a slight uptrend, but it would have been hard to make a good trade there, especially if you would follow the RSI, you would have made a decent trade, but the band's not really. And right here a little bit too. Decent. Obviously, that was the ETF, I believe, the ETF pump. So you would have made a good trade based off the RSI right there. But overall, we're just bearish. And if we take a look in the short term, for the next week, couple days, couple weeks, we want to get above. Go to the line chart, it's easier to mark this level. 59 or even 60K. We need to break above there. We definitely need to break above there and start consolidating above there to even see an uptrend. But with the recent downtrend, it's just not even likely. RSI is trying to flip, or it did flip right here, so you could have made a good short-term swing trade. But now it's flipping down below, signaling more downtrend, more weakness. And I was thinking about going long on Solana, but clearly it's retracing fully back down. Go to the candles. I was thinking of going long like right here, but good thing I didn't, because it fully retraced and I would have been stopped out. So this was just a fake out right here. This EMA band's just a fake out. And yeah, right now, clearly we're retracing that fully. So not a good time to be in a trade. And long term, I'm going to sell into Tether to buy back Mainly Bitcoin. You know, I want more Bitcoin, but I'll of course look out for trades for Solana and Ethereum and any altcoin that I see, but not focused on altcoins right now. There's not a lot of gains to be made in the short term. But yeah, that's basically it. It's gonna do it for this video. Short one. Peace out. See you guys in the next one.